How to replace the volume button board. Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly, battery, and left speaker. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the volume button board ZIF connector and disconnect the volume board ribbon cable from the power button board. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the volume button board ZIF connector and disconnect the volume button board ribbon cable from the motherboard. Remove the volume button board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Remove the two 2.5 mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the volume button board to the display enclosure. Carefully lift the volume button board off of the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the volume button board.